All right, this is the Vevor hand sprayer. This is by Happybuy, brought to you by Happybuy. This is a 2-gallon stainless steel sprayer. It's got a 20-inch wand and handle. It's got a 3-foot reinforced hose, which is right here. There's the wand and handle right there. It's got a pressure gauge right here for safety and a release valve right here, pressure nozzle or safety valve right here, this red thing right here. So if you pump it up too much, it'll automatically release that extra pressure right here. So the idea with getting this thing here is that we have all these plants right here at my house, and we have to tote this big water hose from around the corner over here. It's in the grass over there. Tote the big water hose across the deck right here to reach these plants to water them, and that's not a whole lot of fun right here. So we've got this stainless steel sprayer right here to fill up with water. It's got a nice little bowl up top, and you take this part out right here and fill it up with water. It's a 2-gallon sprayer. They come in different sizes. This is the 2-gallon sprayer. So if you are interested in a different size, you may be able to click on that link in the description and click over and get one that suits your needs. But this is a 2-gallon sprayer. And about this item, it's made of durable stainless steel, rust-proofed and durable. And you need to make sure you pay attention to the rubber ring and the internal design. It's not suitable for strong corrosive or acidic materials, so be careful with that. Things like, weed killers should be fine. It's got an adjustable nozzle. The premium brass nozzle can adjust the intensity of the water spray from, just a spray to a fine mist to a direct, more of a water stream instead of a fine mist. So it's cool. I like the valve here. You can see right here, you pump it up to anywhere in about 3 or so, then you start to get in the danger range. So you don't want to pump it above 3. If you do so accidentally, it does have a safety valve right there that will open up and it'll let that extra pressure out there so you don't hurt yourself, right? So we're pretty excited about this, and hopefully it'll make watering our plants here on the back of our patio a little more easier to do. And you can see right here, it's got a nice little strap that goes on both sides of it right here to help you put it around your shoulder and tote it around. If the 2 pounds or 2 gallons is a little heavy for you, you can use a little strap, tote it around. It's really not that bad, guys. So check this out, the Happybuy 2-gallon stainless steel sprayer from Vevor. I have a link in the description for you. Check it out. There is a special, if you use that link that I have right now, there is a special 10% discount if you use this link. Special 10% discount for anyone that wants to purchase from using this link, from seeing this video. So that's pretty cool. So check it out and see if those will suit your needs. Hey, I appreciate you watching today. If you haven't checked out my channel, I've got all kinds of other videos, backyard kind of stuff, swimming pool stuff, fix-it stuff. Check it out, and thanks for watching.
Real love isn't easy.